Where was most of the construction work?
Well, it's all around. Well, after we get the second layer of concrete, we want to cut down these trees and take up this bench and concrete.
Okay, and what's going to be over here?
A duplex. This house, they say it's going to be a duplex.
It is?
Yes. Back here is plain. Oh. See those flowers? They were there when born. What came over here, the flag. Let's go to those. Look at all that dirt on the street. We're going to let's take this out and use it as concrete. Concrete separates just the thin layer of dirt that separates the different layers of concrete. Each bit has a lot of stick on it, but it doesn't stick to feet, to shoes.
I gotcha.
So,
So where's the plumbing?
Some holes, but they got covered up, so we can't. So we'll have to plumbing after with the second layer of concrete. But look at this. Look, this is a vomit tub. And these are
Yeah, look at the camera and tell the camera about that.
This is a vomit tub. You see those little things on it are eggs.
It's a vomit toe?
No, vomit tub.
Like a frog? It eats birds' nests. Who came up with that?
I did.
You.
There's a vomit tub down there. No, there's a vomit tub seeds. Look, these little bits on the ground, those are vomit tub seeds.
Are they?
This is a vomit tub that always released its babies. Vomit toads, the part that starts the family vomit, falls off the tree. And it's ready to have its baby. Look at this vomit toad. It's a very odd one.
Yeah, it is.